In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USDT ERC20 into Exness. We'll go through the full process from your Exness personal area all the way to sending the funds from your crypto wallet or exchange. This is a straightforward process, but it's very important to pay close attention to the wallet address and the network you choose, because crypto transfers are usually irreversible. To begin, go to your Exness personal area and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand panel and open the deposit section. This is where you'll find the available funding methods for your account. Next, scroll through the deposit options and select Tether, specifically USDT ERC20. Make sure you choose the ERC20 version, since that determines the network you'll be using for the transfer. After that, choose the specific trading account you want to fund. If you have more than one trading account, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Now enter the deposit amount you want to add, then click continue. This amount helps prepare the deposit request on the Exness side, so be sure it matches what you intend to send as closely as possible. You'll then see the Exness wallet address for the deposit. Carefully copy this address exactly as shown. It's a good idea to use the copy button if available, rather than typing it manually to avoid mistakes. Once you've copied the address, open your external cryptocurrency exchange or your private Web3 wallet, depending on where your USDT is currently stored. Go to your wallet or assets section and choose the option to withdraw USDT. When prompted for the recipient address, paste the Exness deposit address you copied earlier. Double check the first few and last few characters to make sure it matches correctly. Next comes one of the most important parts, selecting the network. Choose Ethereum, which is the ERC20 network. Do not choose TRC20, BEP20, or any other network unless you have been specifically instructed to do so. Sending on the wrong network can lead to permanent loss of funds. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind that your wallet or exchange may charge ERC20 network fees, so make sure you account for those before submitting the withdrawal. Finally, confirm the withdrawal using your security verification method, such as two-factor authentication or any required confirmation codes. Once submitted, all that's left to do is wait for the blockchain confirmations and for the deposit to be credited to your Exness account. That's it. If you follow each part carefully, especially the address and network selection, your USDT ERC20 deposit should go through smoothly.